Hit is the call. Entails it is.
On chasing, and that's where they've been successful as well.
Went about his business. This time around, off his pads, goes down to the boundary. Ibrahim Zadran opens his account with the boundary.
Ibrahim is a very, very impressive player. And
First wicket score with 96. That's the kind of day they will want to do that again. What a shot that is. One bounce for second boundary in the over.
amazing stroke.
This time around, played soft hands. Beautiful shot that is. Back-to-back boundaries. Third boundary of the over to complete the over. 13 without loss. Yeah, that is full. Mohammad Akram will be very upset with himself. He didn't give it the treatment, but Gulbadin Naib says, no matter what, I will still be generous enough to allow it go for the boundary. Fumble in the field, allow for the... Mohammad Akram and Ibrahim Zadran are going to have a party out there in the middle, I tell you that. Ibrahim has been enjoying himself. Sends this off, the length for the boundary.
He's on. Sweetly driven through the offside. And Ibrahim will pick up another boundary. Batting royalty already on display here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium from Ibrahim. And not in control, is caught. Ghazanfar has struck. It's been real struggle for Akram, but he's out now. Out for 7. Simple catch.
बिल्कुल दाजल द शॉट हा चकीगी او بال بونډه څخه بهر د سلور منډو لپاره بهر ورګزار کړ وړاندې خبال ننګال خاروټ تر سره کړ خو دازل خبال نو
روم جوړولو چانس نور کې نو مروبا دالته نو بالکل سیده بیټ سره او توپ ته لانګون باونډري څخه د باندې د کریم جنت له بیټ څخه شپږیزه
بالکل لکه وړاندې چې یادونه وشوه کریم جنت دغه سي شاټونو وړتیا لري او په تیرو لوبو کې هم د خپل لوبډیل لپاره د امدغه سي شاټونه ترلاسه کړي دي د میدان هر اړخ ته لوبه کولی شي او دا ځل هم په لانګان یوه ستره شپږلباز روانو لوبه کې ډېر ښه روان دی خو دا ځل د ترډ مین فیلډر په سرکل کې او بال د څلورو منډو لپاره له بونډۍ څخه بهر ورګزار کړ
ډېر سینسیبل کرکټ کوي توپ ته په کتو سره که وګورو دا ځل ډېر بهترینه شاټ او په کور باندې څلور منډې روم ډېر په زړه پورې لږ شاته ولاړی او توپ یې په اپ سایډ باندې ولوباو او دا ځل کریم جنت توپ د باونډرۍ په لوري باندې څلور منډې هیڅ موقع نه ورکوي ډګر ساتونکي ته کریم جنت
Things can add to gain pace, that's for sure. Long off in place and drops it. And guess what? Rubbing salt into the wound, that ball trickles to the boundary. It's not the morning for the Dragons. Try and defend it.
This was a regular leg spinner which he picked up and he's also sent it for 4. The dive will be in vain. It's not for the lack of effort from Sadiq, but a much needed boundary for Kareem to get going and bring to the table. Got into a good position and he sent it for 4. Kareem Jannat winning this battle at the moment.
More double check with whether this was a slow ball bouncer or a pace on delivery by Gulbadin. Yeah, looks like a pace on, but just that the ball never turned up to the bat. It was so slow.
.50 for Ibrahim. The skipper shows the way. Once again, a middle crunch for the points table and he delivers. A well-made half century. Yes, he did get a line.
He will.
That's massive. There's some shots which you know are sixes the moment they leave the bat. You're just waiting for them to see how far it's going to go.
Out of the park. These are giving it air. And I thought bowling at Karim Jannat, if you're giving the length he's looking for, and the slowness if the batsman is looking for, you're asking for trouble. Probably the line was right outside the off. I'm trying to.
Alistair Cook, and I love his batting. He is my idol, yeah. You know how to play. Catch it, catch it, catch!
Taken. That is a very good catch indeed. Gulbadin, yes, it's time for celebration. He's been hit away for 4. He's trying to get his first wicket, and finally it's come by due to some excellent boundary catching.
And that was a big fast bowler, Lalbaz. Probably a slower delivery by Gulbadin Naib. I thought Ibrahim Zadran stroked the ball pretty well, but couldn't find the elevation. In the end, a massive wicket for the defenders.
सरकई लालबाज डीप लाल क्रिस के आउटसाइड जो बॉल ले बाउंड्री चा भारत चलोर मंडल पारा लकी उदलता नजीब जदरान
खुशबख्त आउडी पॉइंट बाहर दीदा शॉट शपकीजा बैट पर मंजिल हिस्सा बांधे आओ घट शपकीजा द नजीबुल्लाह जदरान ना बैट सखा
अबायत नवे बॉल राशि हाफ ट्रक करो चटाकी तर सर कड़ो पेस सरा डेर खपे कडेर खैर वाखिस्ता सो गोरे खप पोजीशन तलाड़ दगा शॉट ले पारा ऑन साइड के नजीब जदरान ने पावरफुल शपकीजा او بال هم للبغالي څخه بخر
حسن علي ته هم دغه سیو شپږیزه ور کړې و کله چې زموږ پاکستان سره سیریزو په اماراتو کې نجیب
نلوړ لوړ سټریکټ او سلاګ فیلډر شتا او ایواز ننداره وکي بال له باندې ته بهر د شپږ منډل لپاره مخکې ور وړو دي سره نیم مسلې زه هم بشپړ کړه کریم جنت سټایل سره
دا T20 کرکټ دی او دلته کریم جنت بادشاہی روانه ده مختلف شاټونه ده سره ګراوند هر ایریا ته او دا T20 کې
غسیاله کې بریا خپل کړی شاټ آن سایډ کې دغه بال بوله ګیپ کې او بال له باندې ته بهر د څلور منډ لپاره د مایل سټون تر لاسه کول وروسته کریم جنت لا پسې چټه کېږي ډېر ښه لګی دی په نننۍ پوسټ لوبډله وکټ ته اړتیا لري آن سایډ کې دغه بال له بوله دی ګیپ خالي ګاه کې دی او د یو بانس وروسته بال له باندې ته بهر د څلور منډ لپاره چارج دی نجیب او کریم دواړه او دغه وکټ اخیستل به مهم وي د بندي امیر لپاره که نه ستونزې به جوړې کړي او هدف لوړولی شي
آف کاټر یې وکړو ډېر ښه یې پک ښه یې راواخیسته Tongs it down the ground. Long on is a spectator. It's gone the distance for 6. Karim Jannat looking to accelerate, and accelerate how? In the commentary box, I'm Devinder. With me is Farweez Maharood.
Wow, what a hit. Karim Jannat putting up a show for all of us. That was massive. That's his 4th maximum in this innings. Don't think he got the middle of the bat, but it's long enough to go.
2 all-rounders contesting, and Gulbadin is going to prevail now. Karim is held on the boundary. Success, celebration time for Gulbadin Naib. And Karim Jannat is out for 65 of just 41 deliveries. But he's done a fantastic job for his team already.
That went to, I think, Nangal Karoti, probably the best fielder in the entire Spegiza League. Middle of the bat, no chance. Bottom of the bat, in the...
Tongs it down the ground. Long on. Takes the catch. 2 and 2 for Gulbadin Naib. Allah Noor comes and he goes back to the pavilion.
Another safe catch. Sadiqul Athal this time. Allah Noor has absolutely no other thing to do than from the first ball to attack. He does it. I don't think it had the pace of the pitch.
Nicely turned away. Will run away to the boundary for 4. Anti-climax. This has been an eventful over from Gulbadin Naib. Looking for redemption. Hits him on the pad. Huge appeal. Not pick up a 4. 4 leg byes. It's bouncing away and it's going away to the boundary for 4. Top edging it to the boundary, Bilal. A much needed boundary for the team was man at mid-off, deep on the boundary, and he's been caught. Bilal Salim takes his first wicket after a forgettable outing today. 1 for 41.
Beautifully disguised slow delivery again by Salim Shafi. And Lal Bas, he got palms like a bucket.
Najibullah swings it down the ground. That's a tremendous ball striking from Najibullah Jadran. 6. Massive.
This is the risk Hashmatullah Shaili took by bowling Gulbuddin Naib back-to-back in the death overs. I don't think this is good captaincy. He had the option of Lal Bas, who has one more over, who hasn't bowled for a while. And you bowl a bowler who has bowling for a while. Yes, I understand he has picked up wickets. But in the death overs, you rather want to be unpredictable than being predictable.
Down the ground. Long off, interested. And he takes it eventually. Another wicket for Gulbuddin Naib. Rehman was promoted to provide a couple of big hits. He's out first ball.
Lack of pace again. Beautifully disguised slow delivery by Gulbuddin. And Pacha, who sprinted in from long off, had to take probably on the third attempt. Juggle second, third.
Slow delivery, hammered. Scintillating ball striking from Najibullah Jadran. He's turning on the heat and accelerating quite well for the team Bush defenders.
Wrong choice, Gulbuddin. Leg cutter, turning back into the left-hander. That's a meat and a drink. New ball, please. That was a poor choice taken by Gulbuddin. This ball, defenders will take the score out of one.
Conceding 41 and taking 4 wickets, but pick up the bowler.